Please follow along with step-by-step instructions before attempting to attach your pre-assembled drain hose to your small tabletop ultrasonic cleaning machine. First, familiarize yourself with the components. Remove the pre-assembled drain hose. Locate the metal drain tube coming out of the machine. The elbow will come pre-assembled. Do not separate. Start by loosening the large black nut on the elbow at the end of the drain hose. Attaching the elbow will require some force. It is recommended to place one hand on the front of the machine for stability while sliding the elbow in place. Slide the elbow over the metal drain tube until the elbow is almost flush with the back of the machine. Tighten the elbow by turning the black nut counterclockwise while holding the elbow in place. Close the drain hose by pressing down on the pinch clamp until it is secure. This will take approximately 4 clicks. Lastly, secure the end of the plastic tubing into the clip at the top of the machine. Your machine is now ready to be filled for use. Thank you for following along with us. If you need further support, please contact us at info@lrultrasonics.com or call us at 201-991-5330.